I was feeling kind of chilly, that's why I put on a cardigan. Toners usually get a bad rep of drying out skin and making skin looking not so hydrated, but this toner changed my life. I got a small sample in one of my packages, like a free gift sort of thing. I was amazed by this product, so what I did, I went ahead and bought a smaller bottle just to try it out. And I've been using this for 3 months now. It's still there. Actually, I don't use it every day. I just use it when I feel my skin is getting that dead skin and it's looking dull. That's when I dig this out. It just helps to renew my skin. It just helps to give my skin that glow. Also, it's a very hydrating toner. It's alcohol free, it's vegan, and it's so moisturizing. If you haven't tried our products from Korean Beauty, I highly recommend you do so because they will change your life. Also, I want to give out a shout out to this sunscreen. If you have seen my last 2 vlogs, you would have seen me using this, and also I've mentioned this in recent skincare videos as well. I freaking love this. This is by Cosrx. It's their Aloe Soothing Sunscreen SPF 50+, and it says PA+++. I also did a blog post. I will link that blog post in the description box, so it'll be helpful for you to figure out different kinds of sunscreen available. You are dealing with that white cast on your face if you're using a sunscreen and you are facing that sort of problem and you kind of hate using sunscreen. This thing will change your life. I will also link few other K-Beauty sunscreen. I mean, freaking love this product. It does not leave any white cast on my face. It just looks so glowing and so moisturized, and also protects my skin. So yeah, it's a win-win. So I'm just using my reusable cotton pads. I got this from Amazon. It comes in a pouch like that. When I'm done using it, I just throw it in my washing machine and it comes out fresh and ready to be used again. So yeah, sustainable version of cotton pads, no wastage. So yeah, that's that. Let me just finish my skincare and I'll get back to you. Hi everybody, today is Friday and feeling Take 2. So today is Friday, it's evening about 4:30 p.m. and we are going to our Asian supermarket to grab our stock of Asian things like noodles, some sauces. So I thought I will take you along and let's see what I get. So I can usually get vermicelli noodles and some sauces in our supermarket nearby, but there are few things which I don't get, so we go to this Asian supermarket. It's a little bit far away, it's not that nearby, so whenever we are in need of our Asian grocery, we go to this place. I have to get packet of udon noodles, maybe packet of gyozas if I can find. Yeah, that's the agenda. Also mandatory weather report. आज weather बहुत अच्छा था, पूरा दिन धूप निकली हुई थी, which is so rare. Amazing weather. For once, it's not raining, it's not gloomy, it's sunny and I'm loving it. Okay, pit stop for some fuel. Also guys, I'm glad that you are enjoying my weekly vlogs. So I just want to make something very clear that these weekly vlogs are compilation of my entire week. Every day I pick up a part of my day which I think is interesting for you guys to see. So I record that part and I compile such clips to make a vlog for you guys. haul. Alright guys, up for a quick haul. So a disclaimer, this stock is for 1 month. We don't eat this every day. So yeah. Got 2 packets of flat rice noodles for pad thai. And this was by mistake because I already picked up 2 packets of rice noodles, but my husband picked these bottle of sriracha. I mean, it's a necessity. We use sriracha in everything. We use hot sauce in almost everything. So that is that. A packet of kimchi dumpling. I am stoked about this. I'm so stoked about this. I think I'm going to try it out today itself. It's €5.20 for 50 pieces. There is another bulldog dumpling. This is the carbonara version. I did not pick this up. This is my husband's doing. A bottle of soy sauce. This is low sodium version of soy sauce. I also got 2 packs of kimchi, cabbage kimchi. I think they are quite versatile and I love eating them, and I love topping them on different things. So yeah, kimchi is staple in my household. And then I got 2 packs of spaghetti. That's how you say it. It's Korean black spaghetti and roasted jajang sauce. If you are someone who watches Korean mukbang late at night, watch Korean mukbangs, you would know what this is. Or if you are a fan of Korean K-dramas, you would definitely know about this. Promise, last 2 packs. This is a ramen noodle soup, 2 packs of that. I mean, I had to pick it up. It was right there. I had to pick it up. And the last one is bulldog curry noodles. Yeah, you would have guessed that I'm a fan of Korean instant noodles. So bulldog curry noodles, 2 packets. And yeah guys, that is it. That's my quick Asian and Korean grocery haul, and I'm happy. I'm so happy. It's Friday. I'm all set for the weekend. Alright guys, I will change and I will start preparing my dinner, which is definitely going to be some noodles and gyozas or dumplings. That's what I'm going to be having today. Maybe I can have healthy tomorrow, but tonight I am having dumplings. Good night. I ordered some canvas. It's a set of 5, and some watercolors. I also ordered some acrylic paints, which still hasn't arrived, so I'm waiting for that. I am planning to try out something. I am not really good, like I don't draw. I used to paint, but not that good. Like I'm really bad, but I find it really therapeutic, so I ordered a set of watercolor paints. I've seen few videos on TikTok, and yeah, I thought I should give this a try because I find painting really therapeutic. Even if I'm not that good, how does it matter? I want to try it out, and I am going to try it out. So I'm just waiting for my acrylic paints, although I have few acrylic paints in my stash already because I do a lot of DIYs. So I do have some colors, but I've ordered pastel terracotta colors. I don't think this vlog has sort of a frame or story. I think it's just going to be compilation of random tidbits here and there and not much of a story to tell. I mean, that's how it is right now. I'm just being really true of what I show and what I present to you. Obviously, things are very different in the world right now. I'm just finding happiness in small things, embracing and being grateful for smaller things in life. These vlogs might not have a lot of energy or a lot of running around, and I think it's similar for everybody else out there. If things would have been different, or it would have been normal, I would have shown you a lot more. Me being a freelancer and an entrepreneur, I get invited to a lot of events. If things have been normal, I would have shown you that, taking you around all the behind the scenes of my work. But right now it's just me working for myself. Not much is happening, in the sense not much excitement or not much behind the scenes sort of things for me to capture and present it to you guys. So this is what it is right now. I'm really grateful for the work I'm getting, still continuing to do what I love doing, being able to survive this situation, this scenario, everything what's happening right now in the world. I've just understood that it's okay to be happy in small things and being grateful for small things in life. And yeah, that's what I think my vlogs are right now. So I'm happy if you are enjoying and if you are relating to even to 1% of my vlogs. Keep watching. Thank you for your support, and I'll keep making my regular fashion videos along with these unfiltered versions of my life.